You see this making of swallow, anything swallow, pando, wheat, oats, fufu, all these things, it shouldn't be a woman's work to do. Honestly, once you finish cooking, just leave your husband to do this work, because it requires a lot of strength. The turning of this thing is not easy. I don't know why they don't have machine, like something that you can just put this flour and stuff inside and put water and it will just turn it for you. Anytime I finish cooking, I just always leave it for my husband to do. Anytime he says he's not eating or he's not at home, I honestly opt for garri, because garri I can decide not to turn it. I will just do the stuff and just eat it like that. But this one, when it's more than one person eating it and one person have to turn it, it should be a man, because it's a lot of work. You have muscles on your face. Let's leave the men to do this one. Thank you, darling husband, for helping.
This one is wheat. That's what we normally eat here. So what?
How do you eat wheat?
Wheat.
It's healthier. We'll have garri just in case, and I eat garri once in a while, but my husband doesn't. He eats it once in a while. Yeah. I asked it because I looked at it and I feel like it's just too small for 4.
No, baby, it's not too small.
It's okay now. Now that she said she wants to eat garri, I think it's okay.
It's okay, right?
When did you bring this thing? Did I capture you bringing it out from my microwave?
I don't know.
Please put it and bring it again. Bring. Oh dear. See, this is just so little. Make sure you finish it. If not, you're going to eat noodles.
No, I want to eat the leaf without it. It's still fine.
Yeah, eat. Make sure you finish it. Hello.
No,
So much.
I'm thinking.
Baby, don't worry, you're done.
This swallow for you to finish.
This thing is okay.
That is too much.
You don't know how hungry I am. You know how hungry I am.
This thing is big now.
Just leave it. Leave it for me. Leave it.
No, I will not leave it for you.
Let me
Because it's too much for you, my love.
Don't worry.
With this big tummy.
That's why I give you.
Me looking at it, I'm already struggling.
I love this. Oh, I like it.
It's not easy to wash it straight away, but I do.
Is this enough or should I add more?
I give up.
Remember the soup. But you said you're not eating much.
You're gonna turn it in
I think it's this one.